Hey everybody, welcome back to Parks and Pizza. This is going to be a quick review of Primal Kitchen Organic Steak Sauce. This is what the bottle looks like. I picked up this bottle of steak sauce at Sprouts for $6.99. They claim to be organic and all the good stuff, no artificial sweeteners, vegan, and all of that. You can pause here for your nutrition facts and what they say about the company. So the steak sauce is organic, and I already did my review on Peter Luger's steak sauce, so I'm really excited to compare this one to that one. This is the steak I'm going to use to test this steak sauce, and the reason I'm using this is because it's my leftover steak from about a day and a half ago, and it's been in the fridge for a while, so I'm going to reheat it in an air fryer because it was grilled already, and I'm going to test. The steak still looks excellent, so what I want to do, I want to test this sauce, if the sauce can bring out the life out of this steak again. It would be great. It's going to be really good to find out. All right, let's go do it. All right, I'm going to pour some in here for my steak. Here's the actual thickness of the sauce. I can smell it from here. It smells really good. Really, really good. All right, so here's the steak. I think I had it in the air fryer for like 5 minutes to reheat it, and it's reheated. It looks great. So let's dip it in this steak sauce and find out what happens. All right, so what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to have a bite plain. This is just the steak. It's good, nice and warm. I grilled it about close to 2 nights ago. Left it in the fridge. Had 2 steaks, couldn't finish this one. So I'm going to dip it into the steak sauce now. See how it works. There it is. Oh, it's good. Oh, this steak sauce is delicious. Really, really good. Wow. This steak sauce is delicious. It's really, really good. I love it. I did, as I mentioned before, I reviewed Peter Luger steak sauce. Here's what the steak sauce looks on the steak. And I prefer this one way more than Peter Luger's steak sauce. Oh, this is so good. So good. This steak sauce is delicious, man. Organic. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of this steak sauce, bro. This is delicious. Wow. Really good. I'm not a steak sauce kind of person. I don't use steak sauce at all. But my wife wanted some, so I, ended up buying a Peter Luger in this one. Just for fun, just to change it up every now and then. I much prefer this one. Excellent, excellent steak sauce. 5 out of 5 from me. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.